Hey y'all, Coach InTheFight here, and in today's video we're going to be proving the correct date of Hanukkah using the ancient method found in the book of Enoch. Now, there's been a lot of confusion this month. Many observers didn't see the crescent moon on November the 21st. Some people delayed the month, others jumped ahead, and even I had to correct an earlier video. But here's the good news. Enoch doesn't leave us guessing. He gives us 4 independent ways to verify the beginning of every month. The first crescent, the 30-day cycle, the sun-moon alignment, and the full moon on day 14 with the waning on day 15. And when you use all 4 together, the real date of Hanukkah in 2025 becomes absolutely undeniable. And it is not the same date most people are following. Let me show you how it all works. When is Hanukkah in 2025? If you follow the ancient method from the book of Enoch, the answer may surprise you. Enoch gives us a precise method for determining the beginning of each month, and it works even when observers cannot see the crescent moon. In 2025, many observers failed to see the crescent moon on November 21st, but Enoch tells us that missed observations do not change the calendar. Instead, he gives us 4 independent methods to verify the correct start of the month. Section 1. Enoch's 4 verification methods. Method 1. The first crescent. Enoch says the appearance of the moon becomes the beginning of the month. This is ideal confirmation when the moon first becomes visible in the evening sky. Method 2. The 30-day cycle. Enoch teaches that the moon is with the sun for 30 days. This is not the rule that starts the month. It's the buffer that prevents people from starting the month too early. Even if the crescent is not seen, the month cannot start until the 30-day cycle is complete. Method 3. Sun-moon alignment. Enoch describes how the moon rises with the sun at a specific moment, receiving a portion of light. This allows priests and observers to verify the month even when the crescent wasn't visible. Method 4. Full moon at day 14. Wane on day 15. Enoch is very clear. On the 14th day, the moon reaches full light. On the 15th day, it begins to wane. This gives us the most powerful verification of all. If you know when the full moon occurs, you can count backwards 14 days and know the exact day of the new moon. Section 2. Applying Enoch's methods to 2025. In 2025, the astronomical new moon occurred on November 20th. The crescent should have been visible on November 21st, but many people did not see it. Clouds, haze, horizon angle blocked observation. Enoch tells us that this does not delay the start of the month. Now, the lunation in question started on October the 21st. Counting 30 days, that takes us to November the 20th, being the start of the 30th day, which will end on November the 21st at even, and that will be the evening that the new moon will be confirmed through visualization. To confirm this, we check method 4. The full moon after November the 21st falls exactly where it should, on the 14th day of the month, and it begins to wane on the 15th day. This retroactively proves the 21st was the correct start of the 9th month, by proving that November the 20th was day 30. Section 3. Determining Hanukkah or Chanukah. Chanukah, the Feast of Dedication, begins on the 25th day of the 9th month. Counting forward from November the 21st leads us to December the 16th. And like the Feast of Tabernacles, Chanukah lasts 8 days. So the Festival of Dedication ends on December the 24th. And that would be in the AM, not the PM. Section 4. Final thought. By using all 4 Enoch verification methods, especially the full moon at day 14, and the wane at day 15. We can know the correct dates even when the crescent is hidden. The 30th day is only a buffer to prevent early counting. The real anchors are the 0% new moon, which corresponds to the 30th day, the first crescent, which is the visualization after the 30th day ends, the sun-moon alignment, which is what we see on the 30th morning, and the full moon at day 14. So when is Hanukkah in the year 2025 according to Enoch's ancient calendar? December the 16th through December the 24th. And just as a breakdown for that 8-day celebration, of course, throughout we'll be dwelling in booths and waving palm branches just as we did during tabernacles. But if we look closely at the week, we see that the first day and the 6th day of Hanukkah or Chanukah are fasting days, like we learn over in Didache 8 verse 1. So on those days, we'll consider doing charitable deeds and making sure we do a lot of praying for people and afflicting our souls on that day. Those are the yellow days. And then you notice the blue are the holy days, where you have the Sabbath day on December the 17th. That's Hanukkah day 2, as well as December the 22nd, which would be the day of Remembrance. That is the first day of winter. We'll be blowing the trumpets and having a special occasion on that day that's closer to the end of the festival. You see, Hanukkah day 3, the day after the Sabbath day, is the day we take the offerings to the storehouse. So that will be a day of sacrifice and offerings. December the 23rd will be officially day 8 of the celebration. Of course, it falls after the holy day of Remembrance. So we'll have a day after that Sabbath day to continue the celebration. And then, because Hanukkah is a daytime celebration, we'll start taking down the tabernacles and closing everything up on the morning of December the 24th. And between now and then, Allah willing, we'll put out more videos on the subject, what we are supposed to do during Hanukkah, and more information that he provides. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you haven't done so already. And if you have any questions or concerns or anything, put them in the comment section, and I'll see you down there. Shalom.